Hello, everyone. No operation succeeds without effective logistics. It is the backbone that ensures everything moves efficiently, on time, and in coordination. I am Jack, serving as a logistics officer. Let's begin. Transportation management is one of the most important parts of supply chain management. Imagine that you order a product online and wait excitedly for its arrival. But what happens if the package arrives late, damaged, or at the wrong address? The customer becomes unhappy, the company faces losses, and its reputation is affected. This is where transportation management plays a key role. It means moving goods to the right place, at the right time, at the right cost, and in the right condition. In simple words, transportation management keeps business moving smoothly. Transportation is often called the heart of supply chain operations. Factories can produce thousands of products, but if those products cannot reach stores or customers, production has little value. That is why companies carefully plan their transportation systems to make sure deliveries happen efficiently and on time. Now let us understand the different modes of transport. The first mode is road transport. Road transport is one of the most flexible methods because it provides door-to-door delivery. Trucks, vans, and motorcycles can carry goods directly from warehouses to shops or homes. It is best for short distances and city deliveries. However, road transport may face problems such as traffic congestion, road conditions, and fuel costs. The second mode is rail transport. Railways are very useful for carrying heavy and bulk goods such as coal, cement, grain, and industrial materials. Rail transport is economical for long distances because it can carry large quantities at a lower cost. However, trains run on fixed tracks, so they are less flexible than road transport. The third mode is air transport. When speed is the top priority, air transport is the best choice. Products such as medicines, electronics, urgent documents, and perishable goods are often sent by air. It is the fastest mode of transport, but it is also the most expensive. The fourth mode is sea transport. Sea transport is the backbone of international trade. Large cargo ships move containers across countries and continents. It is slower than air transport, but it is one of the cheapest ways to move large quantities of goods over long distances. After selecting the mode of transport, companies focus on route planning and scheduling. Route planning means choosing the best path for delivery. Businesses ask questions such as, which road is the shortest? Which route has less traffic? Which option saves fuel and time? By choosing smart routes, companies can reduce delays and lower costs. Scheduling means deciding the right time for movement. For example, should a truck leave in the morning or at night? When should goods arrive at the warehouse? Proper scheduling ensures that transportation activities happen smoothly and resources are used efficiently. Another important concept is freight rates and cost optimization. Freight rate means the charge paid for transporting goods. These charges depend on several factors such as distance, weight, type of transport, fuel prices, and urgency of delivery. Smart companies always try to optimize costs. For example, instead of sending a half-empty truck, they wait to send a full truckload. This reduces costs per unit and increases profit. Next comes carrier selection. A carrier is the company that provides transport services, such as trucking companies, courier services, airlines, or shipping lines. Choosing the right carrier is very important. Companies compare factors such as cost, speed, reliability, safety, and customer service. A cheap carrier that delivers late or damages products may create more problems than savings. Finally, we come to last-mile delivery, which is often the most challenging stage of transportation. Last-mile delivery means moving goods from the local warehouse or distribution center to the customer's doorstep. This stage faces many issues such as wrong addresses, customers not being at home, traffic jams, narrow streets, and delivery delays. To solve these problems, companies use delivery riders, bikes, GPS tracking, mobile notifications, and OTP verification systems. Let us consider a real-life example. Suppose a company needs to send medicine urgently from one city to another. In this case, air transport would be the best option because speed is more important than cost. On the other hand, if a company wants to send large containers of furniture internationally, sea transport would be more suitable because it is cost-effective. In summary, transportation management includes choosing the right mode of transport, planning routes, scheduling deliveries, controlling freight costs, selecting reliable carriers, and managing last-mile delivery. It is not just about moving goods. It is about delivering value, satisfying customers, and keeping businesses competitive in the modern world. Successful transportation management helps companies save money, improve service, and build customer trust.